RV that we started with, and this is the first RV we've ever had, was a travel trailer. And we towed it with our 12-passenger van, which was questionable at times. We didn't know if we'd enjoy full timing, so we bought the travel trailer that we bought, we could tow with our van.
Yeah.
And so we made it work, and we had the travel trailer for what, 2 years?
Yep, and we completely ripped it apart and renovated it to make it more conducive for our family. And so we did like wallpaper and new furniture and all that stuff inside of it. And so we made it work. I think, how much square feet was it? I feel like it was like...
It was probably 275 square feet.
Yeah,
max.
And so the kids all, so like our main...
We got really close over those
Yeah,
2
the
years.
main area was the kids' room, the living room, the playroom, the kitchen, the dining room, the homeschool room, and then we had our little bedroom in the back. So after the travel trailer, we started to get in contact with Heartland and decided to work with them, and they asked what one we would want, and we had our eyes set on a Cyclone actually like a few months into it.
6 months into it, we were already ready to upgrade.
They have the loft part on the garage side, and so for us, we have 5 kids, and so having the loft part on the garage side made it so that all of the kids could be in one area and we could have our space in the middle. So we have the 4006 Cyclone now. It's actually the very first one on the market. No one else has it. And we actually, at Tampa Bay RV Show, we randomly went and they were like, check this floor plan out that's coming.
It was in their packet.
Yeah,
like,
no one had even heard about it.
They saw us with our 5 kids.
And so they had like these big, they have big slides in the middle that are adjacent to each other. So the living room is huge. And one of the things that we love, like that we had in our old house, is that we love to entertain. And we always had people over. And so we didn't want that to change. And so with this floor plan, people can still come and hang out. And we'll have like the deck off the back, and there will just be like
a ton of space.
When
we had the travel trailer, there'd be days where we'd have 12, 13 people inside our trailer.
Easily,
just hanging
or more.
out, watching TV, watching the football game.
So this is gonna be a lot more comfortable.
Well, I had already been doing our research for what's like quality products out there when it comes to like stairs, hitches, pin boxes, mounts, and I knew MORryde was the high-end, high-quality product. So when we were at the RV show, I was like, hey, we need to make sure we find the MORryde booth and go talk to these guys because we're gonna upgrade our rig here soon.
Yeah,
so I need to figure out what we need.
We connected with Daryl, and he's awesome. And we literally spent like most of the day with him.
2 hours talking to him.
And then the next day when we came back,
another 2 hours.
We spent another 2 hours with him. So he was great. I loved how he was so passionate about the products. And like he was like on his knees like showing us, and he would like walk us out to certain places in the RV show that had your guys' product and show us that kind of a thing. And so so we just connected with him, and he was like, hey, when you guys come back into Indiana, reach out. And so we did, and it's been a great experience.